everyone, Tiffany here. Today we're talking about the Royal Princess E417 obstructed balcony or hidden gem. Today we're getting on our bucket list cruise, which is out of Sydney, Australia, doing the 10-day Queensland cruise on the Royal Princess. And this is one of my favorite cruise lines. I know I shouldn't have favorites, but I do. And this ship is beautiful. This cabin I found and I heard was a hidden gem, but I could not find anything online, no pictures, no descriptions. So I decided to make a video covering all of it. So cabin E417 is a BW obstructed balcony view, which is midship, and you will see, I'll show you the obstruction, but it is definitely a BW obstructed view, so it is a little bit cheaper. So as you come up to your door, your beautiful medallion piece will automatically unlock your door, and as you come in, it is just a beautiful open closet. Restroom is there, and of course a beautiful queen bed, which they're plush beds with room underneath to store all your luggage. Fits perfectly. Beautiful flat screen TV in front of the bed. You have your refrigerator, which it does help to keep that door cracked open just a little bit to keep everything cold. Really large full-length mirror, lots of closet space below and above. There is a safe in there, and then you have the restroom, which the only misgiving I have is the dreaded shower curtain. I know, you know, we all know. That thing just, yeah. And right behind the bathroom door is another closet with shelves. You got your safe, lots of space. But this is why we're here, to take a look at this gorgeous balcony. So this balcony will be facing port when you're in Sydney Harbor. Plenty of room, 2 chairs, 1 table. And yes, this is another day, but just to give you a better view. So when you step out onto your balcony, this is the view you get. It's because you're over the Lido deck, over the crooner's bar, which you'd never hear. But this is your obstruction in this balcony. Just look at this. I have no regrets. No regrets. And this is your beautiful view leaving Sydney Harbor. And yes, this is sped up because this does take a bit. But you will get the best view of the Sydney Opera House from this cabin. Just a few of our favorite selfies from our balcony. This was amazing. This is an amazing departure. So make sure you grab your first drink or second drink. Stay in your cabin for departure. Even see the pilot get picked up. You might even see some dolphins. So I'm going to address 2 complaints about these cabins on the Royal Princess. They all have these motion detector lights, and this is the easiest thing to do, is to put a band-aid on them. If you put a band-aid on them over the center part, which I was pointing at, they will shut off and they won't come on at night. The plug situation is this: you have 1 American plug, 1 UK plug, and so I always bring a cord that has lots of USB slots on it, and there is 1 more American plug just behind the phone. And your cord must be surge free. It cannot have a surge protector on it. And then as you come around to the closet, the light above the bathroom is also a sensor light. And what I have done is I put a band-aid on the bottom of the sensor so I can reach up and tap it to turn it on when needed. These will come on automatically if you leave them uncovered and you're walking through your cabin. You'll find out that it gets very bright in the middle of the night. There's 1 more plug here in the bathroom. It's kind of squishy top on it. It's weird. Just an American plug. And you know what, ladies? You don't forget to bring your poopery. If you know, you know. Bring your poopery. Okay, so this is the view you're gonna see every time you step out onto your obstructed balcony view on E417. Love this trip. This was an amazing trip, an amazing balcony. This was quite a hidden gem for us. Highly recommend this. I hope this video helps you planning your trip. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time on the next trip. Thanks, bye.